The fourth industrial revolution refers to the current era of technological advancements that are reshaping industries and societies. It is characterized by the integration of digital technologies into every aspect of our lives. Some of the key technologies driving this revolution include artificial intelligence, AI, robotics, the Internet of Things, IoT, big data analytics, and 3D printing. AI enables machines to perform tasks that traditionally required human intelligence, while robotics automates physical tasks. The IoT connects everyday objects to the Internet, allowing for seamless communication and data exchange. Big data analytics helps extract valuable insights from massive amounts of data. And 3D printing revolutionizes manufacturing by creating objects layer by layer. These technologies are transforming industries and creating new opportunities for innovation and growth.